Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your technology with Samsung, full guide step by step clearly. Protecting your technology is essential in today's digital world. Samsung offers several features to help safeguard your devices. Let's explore how to effectively protect your Samsung technology. First, secure your device with a strong password or PIN. Choose a combination that is difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. Consider using biometric options like fingerprint scanning or facial recognition for added security. Next, enable two-factor authentication on your Samsung account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. You can receive this verification via a text message or an authentication app. Install Samsung's built-in security software, Samsung Knox. This feature protects sensitive information by creating a secure environment on your device. Make sure to keep Samsung Knox updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Regularly update your device's software. Software updates often include critical security patches. To check for updates, go to Settings, then Software Update, and select Download and Install. Be cautious when downloading apps. Only download applications from the Samsung Galaxy Store or trusted sources. Check app reviews and ratings before installation to ensure their legitimacy. Set up Find My Mobile through your Samsung account. This feature allows you to locate, lock, or erase your device remotely if it's lost or stolen. Ensure you enable the location settings for optimal tracking. Use secure Wi-Fi connections. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive transactions. If necessary, use a VPN to encrypt your internet connection when on public networks. Regularly back up your data. Use Samsung Cloud or other backup services to ensure your files are saved securely. This provides peace of mind in case your device is lost or compromised. Lastly, be aware of phishing attempts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.